Let's see how we can order them. Now as you can see, the red is first, the blue is second, and the green is third. So you can give them order, you can make them small and large, all of those things you can do. For example, let's say we need the middle one should be twice of the two sides, or the left, the red and the green one. How you are going to do? As you know, the middle one is the blue one. So you can come here and give them a property of flex. Here is a property. You give them a number. Let's say we give them 6. Number 6 is here for this one. And now you give the same property for the other two items too. Let's say this one is 3 and the third one is also 3. Flex 3. Something like this. Now how it is going to work? If I sum all of these value, 3 plus 6 is going to be 9, plus 3 is going to be 12. Now it's going to say, from the 12, if I divide my page in the 12 unit, from 12 unit, 6 unit should be for the item 2, and 3 units should be for the item 3, 3 units for the item 1. This is going to be like that. So of course 6 is twice of the 3, and the middle one should be twice of the red and the green. So let's save our file and refresh our page. As you can see, the middle one is bigger than the other two. As you can see, it is very easy and it's very flexible. Besides, it is responsive. If I make the page smaller and a little bigger, something like this, it's going to be flexible and it will decrease and increase the size of these things. So this is going to be working like that. The flex, just take a value and it will work for the size and how you can increase the width of any item inside the flex. Let's see how you can order them. For now, you can change the order. For example, you can change the order by bringing them up and down. If I bring it up, one example, item 2 is here, item 1 is here. So the item blue should be first, then red, then green. If I refresh the page now, blue, red, green, it's going to be like this. But even if you put them in the same position, it says item 1, item 2 and item 3, still you can give them order. If I refresh my page, for now it is showing like this. Let me give them a little h1 here, let's say box 1, so that we can see it is really the box 1. Then we have an h1 of box 2, box 3. For now, if I refresh the page, it's box 1, box 2 and box 3. Now if I reorder them, the value should not change because this is a static code we have written. Now I want to display the blue first, the red second and the green after that. Of course green is already here. How you are going to do that? You use the order property. As you can see, now this is first, second, third. If I give them the order of 1, and let's say the green should be second, order second, order 2, order 3. Now if I come, the red should be last one. Refresh the page. As you can see, blue is first, second, third. It does not matter how many boxes you have. Let's say you have another item here, it is that much flexible. Okay, sorry for this one. Copy the code and paste here. This is, let's say, item 4, and this is going to be box 4, and the box 4 has no style for now. It should be background of white. If I refresh the page, as you can see, it is here. Why it shows here? As if I come here and say we have our box here, but we did not give them the property or the flex property, that's why it's going to default the highest for us. I should select item 4 and say the flex should be 3. Save the page, refresh, and now this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Now the whole value is going to be 15. That's why it shows like that. As you can see, it is very flexible. Now this is the box 4, box 2, box, all of them. This is going to be shown as a 0 order. That's why this is the first one. So that's why this is 2, the 1, because we did not specify for the item 4. This by default say that I am 0, means starting from here. So as you can see, it is very easy. So I hope it has been informative for you. We have one more part. In that part we will discuss some more features of Flexbox. So thank you for watching.